Hello dear students, dear children. Today's session we are going to draw diagram children. So let us learn to draw some pictures of sources of water. What is the main source of water children? Rain is the main source of water. Okay, what are the other sources of water? Lakes, rivers, ponds, wells, seas and oceans are the sources of water. We get water from the rain, we get water from the rivers, lakes, wells and seas and ponds. Okay children, today we are going to learn how to draw the sources of water. Okay, drawing activity. Okay children, okay, take things take pencil, scale, eraser and sharpener. All these are very important to draw the diagram, no children? Yes. Take all the things, keep with you. Take one white notebook or science HW. Okay, open all these and start the diagram. Okay, first observe how to draw the sources of water. What are the sources of water? Rain, river, well, seas and water taps we have to draw today. Now, okay. Now, how to draw cloud? Let us see how to draw the cloud. You can draw the cloud here. Okay, see Amma, how to draw the cloud. You know that fluffy white things in the sky. Those are called, yes, those are called clouds, no children. What are the fluffy white things? White things on the sky? Yes, those are the clouds. Okay, clouds give us rain, no children. So come on, you can draw here cloud. Okay, cloud. How to draw the cloud? Come on, see. See the board, how to draw the cloud. First observe the picture, how to draw the cloud. Okay children, what is the color of cloud? Okay, blue. Okay, first observe the picture, how to draw the color. After draw the diagram, you have to color it. Okay, and clouds give us, children, clouds give us rain. Okay, draw the pictures of cloud first and to show the rain. Now, yes. Now you can put small lines. Now you can put small lines as rain. Yes, like this. Droplets like this. You have to put small lines, children. Okay, small lines like this. It is very easy, no children, to draw cloud and rain. Yes, this is the rain, no? Yes, by putting small numbers. Okay, this is the rain. Clouds give us rain. Okay, now you have to draw hills. Okay, how to draw the hills? Okay, already know that how to draw triangle shape. Draw two triangle shape. Come on, take one. Okay, draw one slanting line like this. Slanting line like this. Okay, and one more slanting line like this. Yes, you know well how to draw the triangle. Okay, and one more slanting line like this and one more slanting line like that. Okay, and see, add these two lines like this. Okay, like this. Okay, in between hills, river. Okay, draw the river like this. Okay, draw the river like this. One river enough, amma. Okay, come on, draw like that. Okay, and here we have to draw one water tap. How to draw the water tap? See here. Okay, already know that how to draw the tap. We get water from the tap only, no children. Okay, draw one standing line. Draw one standing line and turn the line like this, Amma. Okay, draw one standing line like that. Okay, turn the line like this. Yes, turn around the line like this. Yes. What we get from the tap? What we get from the tap, children? Yes, water. Like this. Draw like this. Okay. And we have to here draw one handle. How to draw the handle? See, very easy, children. Don't feel difficult. Okay, handle like this. Draw the handle. Okay, is it clear? This is the water tap. Okay, we get water from the tap at homes, no children? Yes, this is the water tap. Now it's time to draw the sea. We get water from the sea also, children. Water is stored in the sea. Come on, like this. Draw like this. Okay, draw like that. Come on, put small lines like this. Put small lines like this. Okay. Okay, now here ships are sailing on the sea, no children. How to draw the ship? Now how to draw the ship, children? See. How to draw the ship? Okay, children, is it clear? How to draw the ship? See here, Amma. Keep small circles. And here, draw like this. Draw like that, Amma. Okay, draw a ship like that. Okay. Now it's time to draw the well. How to draw the well? Okay, draw. Okay. Okay, put two standing lines, children. Standing lines are straight lines like this. Put two standing lines like this. Okay. But both are similar in size. This side also draw two straight lines or standing lines like that. Okay. But both are similar in size. Okay. Okay, both the heights are same. Then draw how to draw handles like this. This is the okay, draw like this. Yes, here we have to draw pulley. How to draw the pulley? See, okay, draw like this. Okay, okay, and here you have to draw handle like that. Now it's time to draw the well. Okay, draw one more line like this, ma. Okay, now draw two straight lines. Draw like this. Draw the horizontal lines like this. Okay, draw short lines like that. In between two lines, draw one more short line like that. Okay, well is ready. Well is ready, children. Now here you have to use blue color and we have to arrange here one rope, amma. Rope. Here you have to draw one bucket. Okay, now it's time to draw the, yes, to color the diagrams. Okay, to color the diagrams. What is the color of hill, children? What is the color of hill? Brown shape. You have to draw the brown shape, children. But here no brown color. Okay, draw like this, brown color. Okay, river, blue color. River, blue color. You have number of crayons with you, no, children? Okay, you have to use it. This is also river. Okay, draw like that. Yes. And you have to use one more color for filling the tap like this. But you have to use bright colors, children. Bright colors. You have to use bright colors like this. Okay. Sea water, blue color, no, children? Okay. And this is a well. You have to use your wish. You have to use any one color. Okay. Well. Now it's time to write names. What is this, ma? Rain. Rain is the main source of water. These are all the hills. And this is the river. River. And these are all the hills. Okay, but no need to write. Okay, and this is the tap. Water tap. Okay, and this is the sea. Okay, and this is the well. Okay, write well. Children, please draw all these sources of water. It is very easy to draw, children. Okay, you have to draw one more time. First observe how to draw the diagrams. You like very much to draw the diagrams, no children? Okay, bye. Have a good day.